Welcome to another episode of the Efficiency and Reliability Podcast. Today, we'll discuss how a refinery tackled declining furnace performance and rising stack temperatures without shutting down operations. The client had previously worked with IGS to apply C-Tech ceramic coatings to its platforming heaters, which delivered a 14% efficiency gain and lifted throughput. When their convection section began fouling and stack temperature climbed to 462 degrees Fahrenheit, well above 300 degrees Fahrenheit design threshold, they returned to IGS. With the next turnaround 2 years away, IGS proposed an online solution using hot-tech convection section defouling. After a technical evaluation confirmed the potential for a 298 degrees Fahrenheit stack temperature post-cleaning, the team developed a plan involving precise access point selection, negative draft safety protocols, and custom tooling. IGS removed portions of the outer shell and adjacent refractory, defouled around 40% of the convection bundles using specialized equipment, and reinstated all materials, completing the project safely in just 8 shifts while the unit stayed online. The results were clear. A 66 degrees Fahrenheit drop in stack temperature, 2.46 million British thermal units per hour of recovered furnace duty, and a 1.75% increase in overall furnace efficiency from 87.55% to 89.30%. Encouraged by the outcome, the client is now planning further defouling during turnaround using TubeTech ROV systems, with a goal of removing up to 95% of fouling and reaching the 91.82% design efficiency. And that's it for today's case study. If you want to learn more about services like ceramic coatings or hot-tech defouling, visit the website at www.integratedglobal.com.